We are in Windows Server 8, and I'm going to show you how to set the remote desktop profile in a user in Active Directory users and computers. Just go ahead and open up Active Directory, and then from there double click on the user that you'd like to make the change. And from here we have a remote desktop services profile. And that's different than the profile that you see earlier where you set up your profile path and your home directory, etc. This profile is affected no matter where a person logs in. The remote desktop services profile is only affected when a user logs into a terminal server or remote desktop services on a Windows 2008 or Windows Server 8 server. So from here you have to set the profile path to where the user will be able to download that roaming profile. So go ahead and click paste of the server name and the share name. We also have the percent username as well, and if we click apply you'll see that that will automatically convert to the user that we are trying to affect. Down below we've got the Remote Desktop Services home folder. This is a local path, so you do not want to put in a UNC path or you'll get an error. You want to put in a physical path, and you could put in whatever path it is that you'd like. Don't necessarily recommend having it to be the same as the roaming profile location. You want to have that as to be a different one, but we're just using this as an example. Or you could also connect using a drive letter, and a drive letter is any letter that's not currently being used, and this one does require the UNC path. So when you're done you can click apply, and it's saying that the path is not found. That's okay. This was just an example anyway, but it does show you exactly how the Remote Desktop Services home folder is mapped as well as the profile.